Today is day, I think 11 or something. And what are we doing today?
We are cutting flowers for the arrangements.
I need a little more excitement, guys.
We are cutting flowers!
Okay. All right, we'll get a video of Gina later, but are we excited?
We are
So
excited.
excited.
Okay.
We're glad it's happening.
Yeah, all right.
Amen.
Hi, it's a video. What are we doing today?
We're making Missy's bouquets. Yay.
There you go, Michael. Beautiful. In the flowers.
We are ready to make bouquets.
Here's some yellow. Here you go. Perfect. Yep. Just trying to give her.
Do we need any purple?
No, we need you.
Alright.
Gracie, I need your stamp.
Stephanie, wait.
Is it? Do I need more right here?
No, if you cut it, it's going to be this one a little bit shorter.
So it's my turn to take a video. We're putting together Missy's bouquet. We have some designers here. We have beautiful mother-in-law who's holding and being a model for it. Hello. And this is going to be the, everything here is medicinal, edible, or otherwise. So they're just trying to make it so that it's
Wedding tea.
wedding tea.